Greetings, financial enthusiasts. This is InvestorWeb, your reliable source for investment strategies and financial wisdom. Our goal is to guide you through the labyrinth of investment opportunities and arm you with strategies to make your money work harder for you. We explore avenues from stocks and bonds to real estate and digital assets. Today, we delve into a popular topic, harnessing the power of Amazon for passive income. Amazon, a name synonymous with online shopping, has more to offer than meets the eye. This e-commerce titan, founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994, has evolved into a global marketplace that serves millions of customers around the world. From books to electronics, clothing to groceries, Amazon's vast product array caters to nearly every conceivable consumer need. But it's not just a shopping destination. Amazon's reach extends beyond retail, branching into digital streaming, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. This diversity is a testament to Amazon's innovative spirit and its relentless pursuit of customer satisfaction. For the entrepreneurial spirit, Amazon presents a multitude of opportunities for income generation. With programs like Amazon Affiliate and Amazon FBA, individuals can harness Amazon's extensive user base to generate passive income. Whether you're selling products, promoting items, or leveraging Amazon's services, the platform provides the tools and reach to build a profitable venture. With such a vast platform at your disposal, the potential for passive income is immense. The first step in harnessing Amazon's power is setting up an affiliate account. Setting up an Amazon affiliate account is a relatively straightforward process, and it's the gateway to a world of potential income. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll need to head over to the Amazon Associates homepage. Once there, you'll see a Join Now for Free button. Clicking on this will prompt you to log in to your existing Amazon account. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can create a new account in just a few minutes. After logging in, you'll be asked to provide a list of websites or mobile apps where you plan to promote Amazon products. Be as accurate as possible, as this information is crucial for Amazon to understand your promotional strategies. Next, you'll create your associate's profile. This includes selecting your preferred store ID, which is typically the name of your website or a variation of it, and providing a brief description of what your website or app offers to its visitors. You'll also need to answer a few questions about your website's traffic and monetization. Don't be daunted by these questions. They're there to help Amazon provide you with the best possible support and resources. Once you've completed your profile, it's time to enter your phone number. Amazon will then call you to verify your identity. It's a simple, automated process that takes less than a minute. Finally, you'll provide your tax information and payment method. Amazon offers a variety of payment options, so you can choose the one that's most convenient for you. And just like that, you've set up your Amazon affiliate account. It's a process that's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and it opens up a world of opportunities for passive income. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is promoting products that align with your website or app's content and resonate with your audience. So, take some time to explore the vast array of products available on Amazon. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start earning. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, promoting Amazon products and earning commissions. Now that you have an affiliate account, it's time to start promoting products. Promoting Amazon products is the heart of your affiliate journey. It's where you'll put your creativity to the test and where your potential earnings lie. So, how can you do it effectively? Let's start with blogs. A well-written blog is a powerful tool to promote products. You can write detailed reviews, create top 10 lists, or even share personal experiences with the products. Remember to incorporate your affiliate links subtly within your content. It's not about hard selling, it's about providing value and building trust with your audience. Next, we have social media. With billions of users worldwide, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter can be your playground. You can create engaging posts about the products, run contests, or even start a conversation. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. And of course, include your affiliate links where appropriate. Email marketing is another effective way to promote Amazon products. You can send newsletters, product updates, or personalized recommendations to your subscribers. The advantage here is that you're reaching out to a potentially engaged audience who've already shown interest in what you have to say. But whichever method you choose, remember to stay genuine and authentic. People are smart. They can tell when someone is genuinely passionate about a product or just trying to make a quick buck. So promote products that you truly believe in, products that you would use yourself. And always, Always keep your audience's needs and interests at the forefront. After all, they are the ones who'll be clicking on your affiliate links and making the purchases, so understand them, cater to them, and build a relationship with them. Promoting Amazon products might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of creativity and a lot of determination, you can turn it into a profitable venture. Remember, the more effectively you promote, the higher your potential earnings. And that, my friends, is the power of Amazon. It's all about harnessing this power and turning it into a steady stream of passive income. So let's get out there and start promoting. Every product you promote can potentially earn you a commission. That's the beauty of Amazon's affiliate program. Now let's dive into the details of how this commission system works and how it can be your ticket to passive income. So you've set up your Amazon affiliate account and you've started promoting products. What happens next is a fascinating process. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, Amazon pays you a percentage of that sale. This percentage varies depending on the category of the product, but it typically ranges from 1 to 10%. Here's where the magic of passive income comes into play. Once you've set up your affiliate links and they are live on your website, blog, or social media, they will work for you around the clock. Whether you're sleeping, traveling, or simply taking a break, your links are still active, attracting potential buyers and earning you commissions on their purchases. Let's visualize this with an example. Suppose you have an affiliate link for a high-end camera that costs $1,000. If the commission rate for electronics is 4%, you'll earn $40 every time someone buys that camera through your link. Now, imagine if 10 people or even 100 people bought the camera through your link. The earnings add up quickly, don't they? The key here, as with any business endeavor, is consistency and patience. It takes time to build traffic and gain the trust of your audience. But once you do, the potential for earning passive income is substantial. You see, with this model, you're not trading hours for dollars. Instead, you're investing your time up front, creating valuable content and promoting products, and then reaping the rewards over time. Remember, every product you promote is a potential income stream. The more products you promote, the more streams you create. And the more streams you have, the steadier your passive income becomes. With each sale made through your affiliate links, you'll see your passive income grow. It's a process that requires effort, strategic thinking, and a dash of patience. But the potential rewards make it a journey worth embarking on. Let's recap what we've discussed today. We've embarked on quite a journey exploring the vast realm of Amazon and how to harness its power to generate passive income. The first stop on our trip was understanding Amazon itself. It's not just an online marketplace, it's a sprawling digital empire that offers a myriad of opportunities for the savvy investor. From there, we delved into the specifics of setting up an Amazon affiliate account. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to pay attention to the finer details. Remember to fill in all the necessary information correctly, select the right category for your niche, and ensure your website or blog meets Amazon's terms and conditions. This is your foundation, your launchpad for earning passive income. Next, we ventured into the world of promoting Amazon products. We talked about various strategies, from leveraging your existing online presence through blogs, social media, or YouTube channels, to creating compelling product reviews and tutorials. Remember, your goal is to provide value, to solve a problem for your audience. Value translates into trust, and trust translates into clicks on your affiliate links. Now let's talk about the crux of the matter, earning commissions. It's not just about selling products, it's about choosing the right products, understanding your audience, and promoting products they would find useful. It's about creating high-quality content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. And most importantly, it's about patience. Building a successful Amazon affiliate business doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a good dose of perseverance. But let's not forget the potential rewards. When done right, Amazon affiliate marketing can provide a steady stream of passive income. It's a business model that works around the clock, even when you're not. It's an opportunity to earn money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or while you're busy with other projects. Harnessing the power of Amazon can be a profitable venture. It's like taming a powerful river, directing its flow to turn your mill. The river flows day and night, and so does your potential income. But remember, the key is persistence and effective promotion. Thank you for joining us on Investor Web. You've taken the first step towards financial independence. The journey may be long and challenging, but the rewards are worth it. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing forward. Don't forget to subscribe for more investment wisdom. After all, knowledge is the most valuable asset you can have. Let's keep growing together, one investment at a time.